Welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, we can discuss LAQ questions in grade 11 chapters. What are LAQ? LAQ means the long answer type questions, or in atomic structure, classification of elements, and chemical bonding, or organic chemistry. That means that the third question is the choice of chemical bonding or organic chemistry. So the third question comes in chemical bonding or organic chemistry. So these are the three LAQ questions are in chapters coming in these chapters. So the first chapter is atomic structure. The first question is, what are the postulates of Bohr's model hydrogen atom? Discuss the importance of this model to explain various series of line spectra in hydrogen spectrum. That means the postulates of Bohr's model and explain line spectra in hydrogen atom. And next, differences between emission or absorption spectra. And the next question is how are quantum numbers n, l, m and s? That means principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum numbers must and write its significance. And next question is define atomic orbitals, explain the shapes of SPD, F also with the help of diagrams. And the next question is explain the success of Bohr's theory of hydrogen spectrum. And the next one is explain briefly Planck's quantum theory. So there the question in the first question in atomic structure, it has a choice of one question is divided into two questions. That means one question is divided into A, B. So like this, the questions are like this in atomic structure. And the next question, LAQ question in grade 11 is chemistry, classification of elements or periodic properties. What is periodic property? It is important question. How it is vary in groups and periods. That is atomic radius, electron gain in enthalpy, electron negativity, and ionization potential. And next question is define IE1 and IE2. First ionization potential, second ionization potential. Why IE2 is greater than IE1 for a given atom? Discuss the factors that affect on ionization energy of an element. And next question is write an essay on SPDF blocks. And next one is relate the electronic configuration of element, the classification of elements. That may classification of elements in 4 types we are known. And next one is explain valency, diagonal relationship and variation in nature of oxides in group 1. And next question is comes in chemical bonding or organic chemistry, any one of the following. In chemical bonding, what do you understand by hybridization? That means explain different types of hybridization involving S and P. That means sp, sp2, sp3 hybridizations we are right on these questions. And then given the molecular orbital energy level diagrams, that means MOED diagrams on nitrogen and oxygen, calculate the respective bond orders, write the magnetic nature of nitrogen and oxygen molecules. So the magnetic nature means N2 is the presence of unpaired electrons and O2 having presence of unpaired electrons, nitrogen having absence of unpaired electrons. So absence of unpaired electrons means diamagnetic and presence of unpaired electrons means paramagnetic. And next question in chemical bonding chapter is give an account of VSEPR theory and its applications. And next question is how do you explain geometry of the molecule on the basis of valence bond theory? And next question is describe any two methods of preparations of benzene and corresponding equation. Explain with the following benzene reaction: halogenation, alkylation, acylation, nitration. Give two methods of preparation of acetylene and how does it react with water and halogens. Which type of products are formed? So we are prepare benzene, acetylene and ethylene, ethane also. So we must by heart ethane preparation, ethylene preparations, and benzene preparations and properties are the most important, like this. And next named reaction is a Woods reaction, Cope's electrolytic method. This question is divided into A, B form. So the first question is named reactions and second question is like this. So we are write ABC products like this. These are the important LIQ questions in grade 11 chemistry. Thank you. Please subscribe and share, like us my videos.